Shalom, welcome to the 14th of Elul. We'll be playing the shofar as we do every day through this month. Today I'll be playing this blesbok horn that David brought from South Africa. I'm going to read a passage from the Reconstructionist Machzor by Michael Levy. There are sounds which first we heard as children, which have engraved themselves like ancient riverbeds long dry into our inner ear. Years later, when we've grown, those early sounds will open up those ancient streams, and the place and moment of that early music will flow again across our memory, and we are at once transported there, splashing in the cooling spray like the children we still are, with all the joy and playfulness and awe we thought had dried up in our long-sought maturity. Buried even deeper in us than our childhood is the childhood of our people, when we were wandering and playing at the foot of Sinai, full of wonder and confusion, as the cloud appeared, and holy fire, and thunder voices out of heaven, and the sounds of a shofar. Each year, when the shofar sounds for us again, the cloud appears above the riverbed of memory, and we know that if sufficient wonder and confusion fill our minds, the holy fire will burst once more, and voices from our modest shofar will thunder out of heaven once again. If only we can listen, the moment and the place will flow again, and we can splash with the child our people was at the beginning in the stream. Tekiah, Shvarim Trua, Tekiah,
Tekiah, Shvarim, Tekiah, Tekiah, Trua, Tekiah, Tekiah, Shvarim Trua, Tekiah, Tekiah, Shvarim, Tekiah,
Tekiah, Shvarim, no, Trua, Tekiah.
Happy 14th day of Elul. Happy full moon. Enjoy the
Full moon. Blue moon.
Blue moon.
It's the blue moon.
Yeah.
The
Last day.
sturgeon moon. It's the sturgeon moon.
All right. Yeah, and I was thinking about what you read about that memory of the shofar. I saw an interview recently with Miriam Bialik, and who's that guy, an actor who's like a kind of famous Jewish actor. I think he was on like a girl show. Anyway.
Oh, that guy.
She says, I play the shofar. And he's like, oh my God, did you bring it? And she said, no. And he said, oh, but do it. And she says, Tekiah, woo, woo. And he's just like, oh, he's like, he hasn't done anything since his bar mitzvah, but he remembers. He's like, and he goes, Shvarim. And she goes, woo, woo, woo. Just like with her mouth, but just like the memory of it. And the host of the show, who's not Jewish, just goes, what is happening? But it's a memory. I think it was James Corden. It was like the host, and he was like, so this is the thing y'all do, huh? And it was like, oh.
Secret club. Secret club.
So wonderful, because not everybody, when they hear the shofar, goes,
Oh.
What
the hell is that?
Anyway, so happy
Happy Elul, y'all.
We'll see you on tomorrow, Friday. Yes.
Tomorrow, Friday.
This is Thursday. We'll see you Friday. Bye.
Yes.
Oh,